So, OK, Zimbabwe has announced the closure of 11 stores, and this means job losses in OK Zimbabwe. And this speak, loud, especially to the current economic climate, the real economic climate, and the real economic actually posture in Zimbabwe compared to what we are told by individuals such as Professor Mthuli Ncube. Things are not looking good in Zimbabwe, but we are told Mnangagwa is doing a good job. If he is doing a good job, why are companies reducing their scope of operations? Greetings and welcome to your lovely channel, the Hloniphani Global News. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black subscribe button so that next time when we beam live, you become the very first one to watch us. So, OK Zimbabwe Limited has closed 11 stores to stop losses and improve cash flow, leaving 62 stores nationwide. The company has been struggling since 2024 due to supply chain problems, currency fluctuations, cash shortages, lower consumer spending, and competition from informal traders. To handle over 30 million in debt, OK raised 20 million from shareholders and 10.5 million by selling some properties. For the year ending March 2025, the company lost 25 million US dollars. They plan to keep operating the 62 stores in strong locations, but more underperforming stores may be closed in the future. So this is in a country where we are told that that Mnangagwa is doing well. This is the reality of what is happening in Zimbabwe. Now let me read a statement, a market update that has been issued by OK Zimbabwe Limited. Introduction. Further to the cautionary statement first issued on 2 April 2025 and repeated on 2 May 2025 and 6 June 2025, the Board of Directors wishes to provide an update on the company's operational and financial status. The cautionary statement highlighted that the group was losing money and had a funding gap of 30.5 million. The group's audited financial results for the year ending 31 March 2025, published on 6 November 2025, underscore the financial distress of the business, which started in 2024 and continued into 2025. As reported now in previous updates, the company separated from executive leadership and engaged an interim management team of former executives of the company to stabilize the operations of the group. A turnaround plan has been put in place. Sorry about that. It was, the network provider. I hope it will allow me to finish this live broadcast. Now, I was on update on the turnaround plan, raising capital. The group requires a minimum of 30.5 million to correct the liquidity shortage hampering business operations. The directors approved the amount and presented the proposal to shareholders. At an extraordinary general meeting, EGM, held on 17 July 2025, the shareholders approved the capital raised composed of 20 million by way of a renounceable share rights offer and 10.5 million from sales of freehold properties owned by company. The rights offer was successful and raised the full amount of 20 million. However, the property sales have taken longer than expected to materialize, and as a result, the 10.5 million funding has not yet been realized. Sale and purchase agreements on 2 of the properties are about to be signed, while offers on other 3 are being reviewed. Efforts to dispose of the other properties and improve liquidity continue. Engagement with business partners. The interim management team engaged with all suppliers to agree on amounts owing as at the end of February 2025 and put in place a settlement plan from the funds raised by the company and from operations. The suppliers agreed to a partial settlement, after which suppliers to the company would resume. Unfortunately, trading terms that are in place have not allowed adequate stock up to support the required level of activity. Engagements with suppliers continue to improve credit extension periods and to build up the range of stock available. We appeal to all our suppliers to work with us during the summer trading season. Our success is your success. So, okay, Zimbabwe, exposing the terrible situation they find themselves in, while it's because of the obviously economic climate and policy uncertainty, which always change all the times, and you expect the economy to perform well, that would never actually see the light of the day. Thank you very much for watching us. If you're watching us for the very first time, please do remember to press the red or black